The thing is, I employ young engineers. I always try and get graduates. And graduates are very idealistic, and they've been taught lean engineering at college, and I love lean engineering. So what we do is lean engineering. So our latest vacuum cleaners use far less plastic and are far lighter than the early ones, which doesn't make them any flimsier, because we do really, really extensive testing trying to break them. But it means they're lighter and use less energy to make them and less plastic. And of course, they're cheaper to make. So we can, because of that, we can put in more technology, which we otherwise wouldn't have been able to do. But, you know, that's what engineers do. They're not marketing people with greenwash. They're engineers doing lean engineering, which they find exciting.
It's vitally important to expose school kids to these sorts of technologies early on as possible, to get them enthusiastic about engineering as a career, maybe as a graduate or a technician. If they've looked at CAD and used CAD right the way throughout their school career, computer-aided design, they've got a head start when they come to university. And these are the skills, these CAD skills are very important throughout their careers. If we can get kids using the basic tools at school, they're at a great advantage when they come to university, and they're more employable when they leave. What we need to do is to dispel the myth that engineering is somehow something that people do in a garage. It's a mechanic's job. Often people get the two things mixed up, mechanic and engineer. Engineering is an academic discipline, and if we can show students at schools that engineering is a high-tech industry where we're using very advanced equipment, and we are in the UK, we are at the leading edge in this, they're going to be much more enthused about coming and doing things in the real world, in industry, more interested in studying engineering and be excited about it.
Well, design and technology is a very important subject, and it sits alongside mathematics and physics and chemistry. Really, it's the process of using engineering to produce products. And in the grand scheme of things, in the economy, it's extremely important. It's very important to have scientists, very important to have mathematicians, but you need people who can use science and maths and engineering to turn an idea into a reality.
You turn a thought into a drawing, into a model, into a car that gives 20,000 people jobs. It's that simple.